Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is another video. Thanks for being part of my friends. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 100 days to Christmas challenge that is coming up. It's going to be like a group, and I'm super excited to start this challenge one more time. The 100 Emily Savings Challenge, you guys know how I feel about it. So I know a lot of people have the challenge before. Some people bought it from me. I know some people don't want to buy it, but you can use envelopes to do that, which I'm going to show you some of the ways you can do the 100 simple way with the one I created and the envelopes that I will show. So today I just want to show you guys the reason why I'm doing this challenge. Maybe it will motivate you to join. And also I've also created a channel on WhatsApp, and that's where I'm going to put most of the short videos, and on my IG. Then at the end of the week, I'll do a corporate video to tell you how much we put in. So in case you want to do it weekly, you want to do it bi-weekly, you will know what is going on as well. I hope everybody is excited about it. So first of all, let me show you the challenge. Then we will talk about it, how we're going to do this challenge and why I am doing it. So for the 100 envelope savings challenge, if you don't have one, it's very easy. You can get 100 envelope pack from Walmart, from other grocery store, also from dollar store, which you can get it for $1.50. So I have the 100 envelopes already. I have bought the 100 envelopes just to show you. So you just have to number it 1 to 100, and you can use it to do the challenge. But because I already have my challenge, I'm not going to use this one, but you can also use this one as well. You don't have to buy it from me. You don't have to buy it from anybody. But if you want to buy it, that's also fine. But you can, like I said, you can use this kind of envelope to do the challenge. Let me put that on the side. And these are all my challenge for 100 envelope savings challenge. I also have 52 money pot savings challenge, the same as the 52-week savings challenge. So for the 100 days to Christmas, which start on the 16th of this month to 25th of December, we're going to do this challenge. I'm going to do the 52 weeks envelope on the side as I do the 100 envelope. So what I'm going to do is that I will do it in between, and I will try to finish it within the 100 days. It's 52 money pots, so you can do it anyhow. It's either weeks, it's every 2 days, whichever way you want to do this challenge, that's okay. But I'm going to try and do it and finish at the same time I finish the 100 envelope. So for my 100 envelope, I have 3 of them that I have to save. I have one for family savings, which is the one we're going to talk about it mostly. I have one for vacation, and I also have one for Ghana trip. For the Ghana trip, we need about 10,000, which, let me start from there. I'm going to do the 100 money pots, which every envelope gets $100. At the end of the challenge, you get $10,000. This one, I'm not going to do it for 100 days. I'm just going to put in whenever I get the money. The trip is next summer. Hopefully, I can finish it faster for the tickets and other stuff, because they are going on vacation with my mom, and that's what we're going to use it for, the ticket. So I'll put that one on the side. Then this vacation one is also, I'm using the 100 envelopes, but when I put money in envelope 1, I'll write it here. So I'm doing the empty one. Every year we take 2 vacations, one with the family, one with my husband. So I'm saving this money for next year vacations that we want to take with the family especially. So that's how I have this envelope as well. Put that one on the side. And for those of you who are new here, I do have this in my shop. If you want to buy it, that's fine. But like I said, you don't have to. You can use the 100 envelopes to do that. Or if you have an old 100 envelope, bring it out, dust it off, and let's kick off this. Okay, and also this is the one that I'm going to do, the family savings. That one I'm going to do the sum up numbers. It means that when you see two numbers, you're going to sum it up and put the money in that pot. So let's say $1. Day one, I'll do $1. This $1 is either I double it or I divide into 2 to be 50 cents. So anyhow you want to do it, any money that you have, any amount you want to save, that's fine. But I will tell you the number that I'm doing, and you decide whether you want to double it or you want to divide into 2 and save half of it. So it depends on you. At the end of the day, you will still have something saved. Let's say you have a lot of money that day and you want to put $5 here. You can do that. But one thing about this sum up the numbers is that when you get to the 2-digit, like the 10, you do 1 plus 0, which is $1. Then you put $1. You can decide to put 10 here. You can decide to put half of the money, any amount that you want. At the end of the day, when the last time I did it, we saved about almost $900. So if you do it very well, you might get about 1,000. I'm going to do it in such a way that sometime I can double the numbers so that I can get to the 1,000 by the time the 100 days end. So we are starting this Monday, which is on the 16th to 25th of December. So for those of you who already have the challenge, you don't have to go by any new challenge. If you don't have it, like I said, you can still use the 100 envelopes to do it as well. Anyhow you want to follow along. I'm going to have my WhatsApp link in my description, and you can check my videos, everyday videos, on the WhatsApp link, or you can also check it on IG. I'm going to post it on IG, and I'm going to motivate people while I'm posting the video. It's 100 days. We can do this. Let's do this. 100 days to Christmas. So like I said, let's say I get to 21. I'll do 2 plus 1, which is 3. It's either I save the $3 or I double it, which will be $6, or I divide the 3 into 2, which will be $1.50. Anyhow you want to do the challenge with me, go ahead. It's going to be daily. You don't have to force yourself. In case you are waiting for a paycheck to come in before you do it, at the end of each week, I'm going to do a video to tell you how much we save. Then you can do that when you get paid in 2 weeks, 1 week, or a month, whichever way you want to do it. It's going to be very flexible, not like something that you have to worry about, because we want to make savings fun, right? So that's the main goal that we're going to do. And if you have the 52 weeks 100 visit, I'm going to do this along as well. So this one is also going to be saved within the 100 days. I will try and see if I can finish it within the 52 weeks. If I cannot, I'm not going to force myself, but I'm going to get this one done. So if you have this, no problem. You can also follow along, which I'm going to share with you how much I'm putting here as well. So it's going to be a lot of fun for this challenge. And at the end of the 100 days, we're going to count it and see how much we have saved. So if you are ready, get your stuff out. If you have 100 envelope savings challenge that you've been hiding, bring it out, dust it off, and let's do this. Are you ready for this challenge? I'm so super excited. So Sunday night, I'm going to post a short video for you guys to see that we are starting the challenge, and everybody should get ready. I'm going to send for people that I know they bought from me, that I have their number on WhatsApp. I'm going to send them messages on WhatsApp to remind them that this is what is going on. Like I said, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp channel link in the description, and you can go follow me there to see the videos. It's not going to be anything hard, anything difficult. Very easy. That if we follow the sum up one, the highest money that we save is $18 so a day. And also I wanted to put it out there for those of you who don't use cash. Let's say you don't use cash, you want to do it through your bank. you can do the same thing. Whichever amount that I tell, you have to move that money into your savings account. Within the 100 days, you see how much you have in your savings. It can be a high yield savings account, a regular savings account, because at the end of this challenge, I'm going to share with you how you can save this money to give you more money. Or if you have something in front of you that you want to buy, you can use this money to spread yourself. It's the end of the year. You've been working too hard not to have any money to show off, okay? So that's what we're going to do. I hope everybody is excited about this challenge, 100 days to Christmas challenge, that we're going to use the 100 envelopes or any envelopes that you have. You don't have to stress yourself. If you already have it, yay, lucky. You are going to use that. If you want to buy it, I have this in my shop. All my links are in the description below. I also have a link on YouTube here that you can go through YouTube. I had it on Etsy. Because we are going to do the challenge, I'm going to give about 20% off on my 100 envelope savings challenge, that so that people can watch. So I'm going to, within the 100 from the 16, I'm going to do 20. So I'm going to do 20% off. I think I'll start at 20% off today. Yes, I think I will start so that if people who want to buy can go ahead and buy it before we start. If you don't want to buy, I'm telling you, you don't have to stress about it. You can use regular envelope like this. You can get it $1 in a dollar store. Anyhow you want to do it. So I hope you guys are really excited for this 100 days that we are going to do this challenge. I can't wait to see how many people are going to participate. Go check my WhatsApp channel out. I'm going to post most information on there, because the short video is easy for people who like WhatsApp to watch. And also I'm going to post it on my IG as well. And I'm going to communicate with the people that I know I have their number on WhatsApp regularly to see, to motivate them, to send them motivation message to kick off this challenge that they bought from me. Also, I want to talk about the reason why I'm doing this challenge. The reason why I'm doing the challenge is that you started beginning of the year thinking you're going to save. Have you saved yet? If you haven't saved, no problem. I'm here to tell you that it's still doable to the end of the year. Maybe you set up yourself a goal to save and you have not. Maybe you are like me. You haven't saved nothing yet. This is the time. So I'm here to motivate you to at least achieve one of your goals before the year end. And also, if you are planning to buy something, so that you wouldn't put it on credit card, you have the money by Christmas time and you can use that money so that you wouldn't spend money on your credit card to become another debt. And you can also use this money to spread yourself. At the end of the year, you've been working too much not to have money to buy something for yourself. So make sure you do that as well. I'm doing this for my family. We might use it for so many things. So let's see how it goes with this challenge, and I'll tell you what I'm going to use it for. For this one, we already know what I'm going to use we already know what we're going to use for. We are talking about it. By the time we finish, the decision will be made, and I'm going to share with you guys what we're going to use this one for. So are you ready? Are you ready to save a little money before the year end? Then come along with me. 100 days to Christmas, from the 16th of September to 25th, and we're going to do this challenge, and going to be a lot of testimony through this challenge. So thanks for watching me today. Super grateful that you are here. If you are new here and you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my video. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.